This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Land Cruiser versus Toyota Vellfire. We'll explore their distinct features to help you decide which vehicle best suits your lifestyle. The Land Cruiser is known for its ruggedness and off-road prowess, while the Vellfire prioritizes luxury and passenger comfort. Understanding these core differences is key to making an informed choice for your next vehicle purchase. The Toyota Land Cruiser is truly built for adventure, boasting a legendary reputation for tackling tough environments. Its robust four-wheel drive system and high ground clearance make it ideal for off-road excursions. With its durable body-on-frame construction, it's designed to withstand demanding conditions and offers impressive towing capabilities, often exceeding 6,000 pounds for your gear. Switching gears, the Toyota Vellfire is all about refined luxury and passenger comfort. This premium minivan offers a remarkably smooth and quiet ride, perfect for city driving and long family trips. Inside, you'll find high-quality materials and advanced features designed to enhance every journey. Its spacious cabin comfortably accommodates 7 or 8 passengers, making it an excellent choice for families. So, which Toyota is right for you? If your lifestyle involves rugged adventures, heavy towing, or navigating challenging terrains, the Land Cruiser is your ultimate companion. However, if you prioritize luxurious comfort, smooth city driving, and spacious family travel, the Vellfire will be the perfect fit. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.